Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to change line thickness. So for example, I will create line with these brush tools. You can active the ruler tools and I will use this horizontal option. I will draw from this point into here. Now if you want to change the line thickness, you can click at this slide bar. I will move into here to decrease the size of the line thickness, and you can create again. It will be create the small line thickness. So you can increase by clicking at this point, or you also can change for the brush type in it. Like I will choose these options, and then you can draw this. And we can change again the line thickness by using these slider tools. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to change line thickness. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.